Sometimes the error message drum error slide the green tab on the drum unit appears on the display of your brother laser printer. Often it happens because the corona wire of the drum unit is dirty. As the message suggests, slide the green tab several times, up to 15-20, to clean the corona wire. The green tab will remove most of the dirt on the wire. If you have a color printer, slide all the 4 green tabs. Be sure to return the green tab to the home position. Sometimes, if the corona wire is really dirty with heavy toner build-up on it, the green tab does nothing, and you have to clean the wire with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol or ammonia. Clean the grid too. If the error persists, try to reset the drum unit. The machine will believe it's a new drum unit and it could reset the error. Follow the reset instruction for your machine. Check and clean the contacts on the side of the drum unit. If nothing works, you could replace the drum unit, but sometimes the problem is not a dirty corona wire. Sometimes, no matter how many times you slide the green tab, it doesn't resolve the problem. How the printer knows that the corona wire is dirty? There are not sensors in the wire. The printer sends the error message when it detects a discharge that may be attributable to the dirty corona wire on the drum unit, but there could be other causes. This printer has a slide green tab error message. I changed the drum unit and the toner cartridges, but the error message remained. So this is the proof the error could be related to the machine and not to the drum unit or the toners. Remove the electrical cable and check and clean the contacts between the printer and the drum unit inside the machine. There could be a possibility of condensation. Leave the front and back cover open for at least 30 minutes when the power is on. Close the covers and turn the power switch off and then back on again. Remove all parts and clean the inside of the machine. I hear that some people solved the problem through inserting the drum unit with the tab to the right instead of the left. It could happen maybe because with the green tab in the wrong position, the distance between the drum and the wire has become smaller, and the printer detects a new value perhaps closer to the normal value. However, the cause of this error message probably is the high voltage power supply PCB assembly, or the connection harness of the PCB assembly. There could be dirt on the connections. Remove and reinstall the connectors. Replace the high voltage power supply board. If nothing works, the problem could be the main board.